Hi, I'm Mr Salmon here at North Bromsgrove High School, Head of Technology. I want to talk to you about the new course that we're offering in Design Technology through the Educast exam board. It's A-level that's going to seamlessly transition from your GCSEs and allow you to go into further education with whichever subject you'd like to study, be that architecture, product design, graphic design, or any other area within the engineering framework that you'd like. It's a 2-year A-level that consists of one exam and one piece of coursework, which both counts for 50% of the grade. This coursework allows students to understand the challenge of the design and make project based upon the students' own choices. Whereas the GCSE was specified criteria, this is going to allow you to choose which direction you wish to go. This course is suited to somebody that's going to be able to thrive when problem solving, and is going to be someone who becomes an adaptable student. Not everything is going to go right on this course, but this course allows you to actually become a more problem solver and learn from those mistakes that actually happen to help you move you forward within the course. Thank you.
My name is Mr Smith, and I'm part of the Design and Technology department here at North. Izzy, can you explain why you chose A-level product design?
I chose A-level product design because I enjoyed textiles at GCSE and I want to develop my drawing skills.
Well, what skills have you learned in the short time you've been back?
I've learned isometric drawings, braiding, and other ways how to develop my drawings.
Thank you. What are you hoping to get out from the course, Izzy?
I'm hoping to develop my drawing skills and learn new techniques.
And where do you think this course might lead you?
This course will lead me into university or an engineering route.
And Izzy, who would you recommend this course to?
Creative people who want to be engineers.
Hopefully this might be the course for you as well.